Hello class, in this video I'll be showing you how to evaluate a definite integral. Let's begin. In this example, we want to evaluate the definite integral from -1 to 5 of 1/2 e raised to the 1/3 x power minus 3. By the fundamental theorem of calculus, we have if lowercase g of x is equal to 1/2 e raised to the 1/3 times x power minus 3, then the definite integral from -1 to 5 of g of x is equal to capital G of 5 minus capital G of -1, where capital G of x is an antiderivative of lowercase g of x. To find an antiderivative, we are going to apply an exponential rule to the first term and the constant rule to the second term. After applying both of the rules, we will have an antiderivative of capital G of x is equal to 3/2 e raised to the 1/3 times x power minus 3x. Now we will evaluate the antiderivative when x is equal to 5 and x is equal to -1. When x is equal to 5, the antiderivative equals 3/2 e raised to the 5/3 power minus 15. This is not a rational number, so we cannot write it as a fraction using integer parts. When x is equal to -1, the antiderivative is 3/2 e raised to the -1/3 power plus 3. This is also not rational, meaning we cannot write this number as a fraction using integer parts. So now we have capital G of 5 minus capital G of -1 is 3/2 e raised to the 5/3 power minus 3/2 e raised to the -1/3 power minus 18. So the definite integral from -1 to 5 of lowercase g of x is 3/2 e raised to the 5/3 power minus 3/2 e raised to the -1/3 power minus 18. And this is approximately -11.133. So now that we have the value of the definite integral, what does this value represent? To the right is the graph of g of x. Between x is equal to -1 and x is equal to 5, I shaded in the area under the curve. The area in red is below the x-axis, which means the area is going to be represented by a negative number. Since there is only one area to consider, the area shaded in red is approximately -11.133. So the area under the curve between x is equal to -1 and x is equal to 5 is approximately -11.133. And we are done.